today I'm going to be asking you just a few questions to test your knowledge, okay? So we're going to have a fun little quiz. So what do you think is the most common STI in Ireland?
Ooh, maybe chlamydia?
I don't know, like crabs. That's the one I'd hear most about, I guess.
Chlamydia.
Correct. Can you get an STI more than once?
Yes, definitely.
Yes.
Yes. Guys, you're so good at this. The answer was yes. Can you get an STI through oral sex?
Without protection, I think so.
Yes.
Also true. Okay, Tom, you're so good at this. Okay, do you have to have symptoms to have an STI?
Absolutely not.
No.
Probably not. No.
Correct. Okay, so not all people show symptoms when they have an STI. How much would you expect to pay for a home STI test?
I'd say you're talking close to like €50. Maybe about €100.
I'd imagine it's free, actually. They're free.
Tom knows everything. Yes, you can get free STI home test kits from SexualWellbeing.ie. All you need to do is fill in the required information online and they'll send one.
Stay safe.